Here we are outside on a sunny day. The weather is ideal for turning a sheet of paper into a water bomb. Here's what you do. You start with a square of ordinary writing paper, then you fold it diagonally and press down hard. Open it up again, and then turn it around and fold the other diagonal across. This time, when you open it up, find two of the points and bring them together. And then put it down on the table again and press down hard. And do the same thing with the other 2 points on the other side. Now you have a triangle with 2 points on each side. Take one of those points and fold it down towards the part that was originally the centre of the square of paper. And do the same thing on the other side. There we are. Two of the points have gone towards the centre of the original square. Turn it over and do exactly the same thing on the other side. Now you end up with something that's almost a diamond shape, except it has the top corner cut off. Keep that in mind. We'll be doing something with that in a moment. The ends of the diamond are folded across towards the middle. Two on this side, and then the points, you lift them up and you push them down into that slot. This is the most important part of the water bomb because it locks the whole thing together. One is locked in position, same thing on this side. The point is pushed up into the slot as far as it'll go. Press down, turn the whole thing over. There's your diamond once again. Point on the side in towards the centre, point on the other side in towards the centre. And then the little loose points down the bottom, bring them up, push them into that slot as far as they'll go. That's the locking part, remember, and press down. That's number 3 in position. Here's point number 4. Up into the slot once again, press down, and that's locked. That, believe it or not, is a water bomb. But you can't put water into it until you first fill it with air. You do that by blowing it up as if it were a balloon, like this. There we are. And it forms almost a perfect cube with a hole in the top. Take it over to the garden tap. I don't have a tap here, so I'll use a kettle with water in it. And very carefully pour water into it. And then, surprise, surprise, you find that even though it's made of paper, it actually holds water. And if you've made it carefully, those little ends lock it together. And it'll stay in that position for, well, about a minute or so, until you happen to drop it, and then it makes a mess. So, if it's a warm sunny day, and it is, and you have a good friend coming, only do this with good friends, and only do it when it's warm, you can fill up a water bomb, find a high position, such as this ladder, and wait. Here he comes.